Hello everyone, I am Shrutika Katkar and today's topic is a array list. Java array list classes uses a dynamic array for storing the elements. It is like an array but there is no size limit. We can add or remove element anytime, so it is a much more flexible than the traditional array. It is found in the java.util package. It is like the vector in a C++. The array list in a Java can be duplicate element. Also it implements the list interface, so we can use all the method of list interface. Here the array list maintains the insertion order internally. It inherits the abstract list class and implements list interface. The important point about Java array list class are Java array list class can contain duplicate elements. Java array list class maintain insertion order. Java array list class is non-synchronized. Java array list allow random access because array works at the index basic. In array list, manipulation is a little bit slower than the linked list in Java because a lot of shifting needs to occur if any element is removed from the array list. Hierarchy of array list class as shown in the above diagram. Java array list class extends abstract list class which implements list interface. The list interface extends the collection of iterable interface in a hierarchical order. Array list class declaration. Let's see the declaration for java.util.arraylist class. How to sort array list. The Java util package provides a utility class collection which has the static method sort. Using the collection sort method, we can easily sort the array list. Why to iterate the element of the collection in a Java? There are various ways to traverse the collection elements: by iterator interface, by for each loop, by for loop, by for each method, by for each remaining method. Use user defined class object in a Java array list. Let's see an example where we are sorting student class object in an array list. Java array list serialization and deserialization example. Let's see an example to serialize an array list object and then deserialize it. The array list class is a serializable array which can be found in the java.util.package. The difference between a built-in array and array list in Java is that the size of an array cannot be modified. If you want to add or remove elements from an array, you have to create a new one, while elements can be added and removed from an array list whenever you want. The syntax is also slightly different. Add atoms. Access an atom. To access an element in the array list, use the get method and refer to the index number. Example cars.get. Change an atom. To modify an element, use the set method and refer to the index number. Example cars.set. Remove an atom. To remove an element, use the remove method and refer to the index number. Example cars remove. Array list size. To find out how many elements an array list have, use the size method. Example cars.size. Loop through an array list. Loop through the element of an array list with a loop. For loop and use the size method to specify how many times the loop should run. Other types elements in an array list are actually objects. In the example above, we create element object of a type string. Thank you.